Node.js boasts a vibrant and supportive community, offering a wealth of resources for developers of all levels. In this presentation, we'll explore where you can find help, continue your learning journey, and connect with fellow Node.js enthusiasts. We will cover official documentation, community forums, open-source repositories, learning platforms, package management, blogs, and some useful tips for getting help effectively. Let's start with the official resources. The Node.js website provides comprehensive documentation, including a complete application programming interface reference and various guides. You can find it at nodejs.org/docs. Additionally, there are dedicated learning resources with tutorials and getting started guides available at nodejs.org/learn. These are great starting points for anyone new to Node.js. When you encounter challenges or have questions, community forums are invaluable. Stack Overflow is a popular question and answer platform where you can find solutions to common programming problems. Look for the Node.js tag at stackoverflow.com/questions/tag/node.js. The Reddit community, specifically the r/node subreddit, offers active discussions and community support. You can join the conversation at reddit.com/r/node. GitHub plays a significant role in the Node.js ecosystem. The official Node.js repository, located at github.com/nodejs/node, hosts the source code and serves as an issue tracker for the project. Moreover, you can explore a vast collection of Node.js packages on GitHub using the Node.js topic at github.com/topics/node.js, allowing you to discover and contribute to open-source projects. For structured learning, several platforms offer excellent Node.js courses. FreeCodeCamp provides a comprehensive Node.js curriculum suitable for beginners and experienced developers alike. Find it at freecodecamp.org. MDN WebDocs or Mozilla Developer Network provides server-side JavaScript guides that are an invaluable resource for understanding Node.js concepts at developer.mozilla.org. Node.js relies heavily on package management using NPM, which is Node Package Manager. The NPM registry, available at npmjs.com, allows you to search and explore thousands of Node.js packages. For documentation and guidance on using NPM, including command line interface instructions, visit docs.npmjs.com. Stay up to date with the latest happenings in the Node.js world through official blogs and news outlets. The official Node.js blog at nodejs.org/blog provides the latest updates, announcements, and insights from the Node.js team. Node Weekly is a weekly newsletter, available at nodeweekly.com, which delivers curated articles, tutorials, and news related to Node.js. Before seeking help, always search for existing solutions in documentation or online forums. Include relevant error messages, code snippets, and details about your environment to enable others to assist you more effectively. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.